A load pin is a type of load cell designed to measure tension and compression forces in various industrial weighing applications. Load pins are designed to replace components like bolts or clevis pins in weighing systems. They are permanently installed to consistently monitor vertical or horizontal tension. Load pins are especially well suited for overhead weighing and material handling systems. Load monitoring with an integrated load pin promotes safety and prevents costly overload damage. Load pins consist of a cylindrical pin that connects two components. Strain gauges are embedded in the center to convert the tensile and compression forces on the sensor. They are typically made from high-strength stainless steel and can also be waterproof for use in harsh environments. The exterior of a load pin has two grooves to separate the applied forces. These grooves are very important because they also prevent any binding on the pin. When the load is applied, the force acts on the middle of the pin, while the fixed support applies pressure in the opposite direction. This is the force, or tension, the strain gauges use to convert into an electrical signal. That signal is then passed on and converted into what we see as the weight reading on a display. From agriculture, energy production, marine cargo, to shipping operations, many industries benefit from integrated weighing systems using load pins. They are most commonly used in bridge, jib, gantry and straddle cranes, winches, elevators, lifting and rigging equipment, shackles, bearing blocks and pivots.